Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and first things first, I must apologize, for it has been a bit since I've put up anything. Terribly sorry about that. It has been a crazy second half of the year, but I just wanted to say that I am getting things back to normal. I've got some great content planned for 2023. I think you're really going to dig it, so stick around. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, hitting that bell icon so you know when stuff comes out. That really helps me out and I appreciate it. If you are subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. I appreciate you and I appreciate your patience. On that note, there's just a couple of things I wanted to briefly discuss. First thing is I'm about to drop a texture painting tutorial done entirely in Blender. So the image you see before you here was textured entirely in Blender. And if you've been around my channel for a bit, you know that I do 90% or better of my texturing in Substance Painter. That's how this started. I was making a tutorial on how I textured this in Substance Painter, and I got to thinking there's a lot of people who don't use Substance Painter for a variety of reasons. Maybe financial reasons, maybe you hate Adobe, I get it, or maybe you just want to do everything in Blender, which I get that too. So I thought I'm going to shelve the Substance Painter tutorial for a minute. I'm going to do this entire thing in Blender and show people how I would approach texture painting this asset in Blender. And that's what I did. So if you're a Substance Painter artist and you're curious about that, don't stress, that video is going to come out too. It's just going to come out after the Blender one. This is going to be an in-depth, step-by-step walkthrough. I'm not going to cut any corners. I'm going to show you every single setting, every node setup, everything that I do from top to bottom. So if that interests you, stick around, look for that tutorial when it comes out. I think you're going to like it. There's going to be some really cool perks that go along with that tutorial, so stick around for that. Second thing is I just launched another asset pack. This one I'm calling Damaged Brush Pack. It's 15 custom-made brush alphas, 5 custom-made seamless textures, and they're all 4K PNGs, and they work with everything. I primarily use them in Blender and in Substance Painter, but they'll work in everything from Photoshop, Affinity Photo, GIMP, doesn't matter. As long as the program will read PNGs, you're good to go. If you have my first brush pack that I put out some time ago, it's the 20 Grunge brush alphas. This is kind of an extension of that, in that when I made these, I was thinking about painting damage, adding grunge, dirt maps, roughness maps, things like that. Right? That was the thought process behind these. So like I said, it's kind of an extension of that first pack. Right? If you have the first pack, you're going to love this one. If you don't have the first pack, consider picking that one up as well. So just wanted to throw that out there. That is available now. It is on Gumroad. Links will be in the description. Give that a go. That was basically it, guys. I just wanted to come back and say that I'm getting things back to normal. I've got some stuff planned. It's coming down. You're going to dig it. Look for that tutorial that comes out on the texture painting, as well as some future cool stuff that's coming. All that aside, as always, please consider subscribing if you're not already. Hit me up in the comments if you want to see something specific, or if I'm doing something wrong, or I could be doing something better, let me know. I always look forward to that. All right, guys, that's all I got for this one. Have a happy, safe new year. Keep making cool shit. And until the next one, see ya.